In this video, I will show you the exact steps to recover your deleted projects in Adobe Express, so you never have to worry about accidentally losing your hard work again. We have all been there where a moment of haste leads to clicking the wrong button, and suddenly a design you spent hours on is gone. Fortunately, Adobe Express has a built-in safety net that allows you to restore these files with just a few clicks. To begin the process, you need to navigate to the main dashboard of the application. Look at the top navigation bar and find the menu labeled Your Stuff. This is your personal hub, where all your creations are stored. Once you click on that, look toward the left side of the screen, where you will see several categories. You will need to scroll down until you locate the specific tab labeled Deleted. This section functions much like a recycle bin on your computer, holding on to your discarded projects for a limited time before they are permanently erased. When you enter this tab, you will see a grid of all your recently removed designs. Simply browse through the thumbnails until you find the specific project you want to bring back to life. When you find it, hover your cursor over the project thumbnail